dips the whiff. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whiff. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whiff. See my girls be shine.
What's good, lovelies? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, 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 ayy. Cherish, 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 ayy. Ain't no stopping when you poppin'. And I'm back with another video. So today I'm just gonna show y'all how I clean and organize my makeup. So shout out to the husband for getting me this organizer. I'm just gonna show y'all how I organize everything. But before we get into this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. So right now I'm just unboxing it and seeing what it's all about. It comes with instructions. And yeah, I'm about to start filling it up. It also came with these little straps. I think this is really gonna come in handy. Okay, so this is where all my stuff was, and my lovely daughter was putting on makeup, so he got mad and he said we're gonna lock up your makeup, which is true because her face got messed up from my makeup, so it was a good idea. So right now I'm just gonna find all the makeup and brushes and everything, and I'm gonna put it in there. I'm not gonna do it neatly. I'm just gonna throw it in there so I can have everything together, because it's like a treasure hunt finding all my stuff, my brushes and everything. Everything's all over the place. I found the eyelash, y'all. Ooh, that was a mink. Dang, I wish I had the other one. y'all, so I am done. Let's hope that it closed. If not, I'm gonna have to organize again. And it didn't, so I'm about to have to do this again. So it worked, y'all. I'm just gonna lock it and see how to lock it because I don't know how to lock it. And just test it out to see if it really works. So there you have it. Everything is organized. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.